All right. All right, another part coming in with dealing with the business. So, special clothing and uniforms. How do we deduct these? Well, they're only deductible if they are particularly required as a condition of employment, and they're not suitable for everyday use. So, if your workplace says it's a requirement for you to wear white t shirts and blue jeans, well, guess what? That's non deductible because that's basically everyday use. White t shirt, blue jeans. But if they tell you that you have to buy a lead apron and a welder's mask, well, that's not typically everyday use, and we can take it. So, if the clothing or uniforms qualify, the cost of the purchase, authorizations, and laundry are deductible. Again, if you have to wear a certain type of work boot, that's not usually for everyday use. It's only and it's a requirement of the work. Like sometimes there are certain boots. Then again, that will qualify. So, what about business gifts? Alright, gifts are a little bit fun. First off, taxpayers may deduct business gifts up to $25, and they can include the cost of gift wrapping and shipping per year per donee. So basically, if I give out 100 people $25 gifts, I get to deduct that $2,500. Okay? Now, again, we can't go husband and wife. Always the IRS is going to consider them as one person. So we cannot basically do that unless both are separate clients. Then we may get it. But again, they're treated mostly as one donee. There is no limitation for a small business gifts up to $4 each if taxpayer's name or company name is imprinted on gift items. This is our promotional stuff. Okay? Usually those little items end up becoming advertising because again they're so non-expensive. Okay. A deduction for gifts of tangible personal property made to employees for a length of service on the job. Again, that's that big old fancy clock or gift card. I don't know what sometimes people get. And safety achievement may be deductible up to a limit of the $400 per employee per year. We discussed this, I think, in Chapter 2. If the gift is made in conjunction with a qualified plan, again, the limit is $1,600. Gifts to a taxpayer's supervisor are not deductible. Sorry, gifts to your boss, they're not deductible. Tier. Alright, discussion. So again, we have Mark is a salesperson who gives gifts to his clients. During the year, Mark gives Mr. Alford a gift costing $20 and Mrs. Alford, who is not a client, a gift costing $15. He also gives Mrs. Bland a gift that costs $24 plus $2 for wrapping. How much can Mark deduct? Maybe you can think of some suggestions, if any, might you make to Mark to maximize the deductible amount for his gift expenditures. Okay, give it a sec, pause the video, and again, try and figure out how much can he deduct. Okay, so Mark can deduct again only $25 from his two gifts to Mr. and Mrs. Alford because Mrs. Alford is not a client. So basically, you lose out a little bit, about $10 there. Now, with Mrs. Bland, he gets to deduct $26 because again the $2 gift wrapping charge is not included as part of the $25 limit on the gift to Mrs. Bland. Now, if somehow he gets Mrs. Alford as a client, then yeah, $15 and the $20 will be deductible. Again, they have to both be clients. Okay, so we're going to wrap up this quick little video and we're going to jump into bad debts right into the next part. So you know the drill. If you have questions, let me know.